Hey guys, back for another video. I'm super excited about it. This is going to be the first modification that we're going to do to the Tundra, and I am really excited about it. As you guys probably have figured out if you've watched my other videos, by the way, be sure to subscribe below. We'd love that. If you've watched my other videos, I'm a bit of a researcher. I like to really think about things and research pros and cons and that type of stuff. And these this upgrade that we're going to be doing today is I would say the first upgrade that anybody that has a new truck should do to it. New to you, or new. You should do this as your first upgrade. So let's take a look at what we're going to be doing today. That's right. If you guessed floor liners, you would be correct. Super excited about these Husky X-Act Contour liners that we're going to be putting in the front of the truck. Again, like I said, this should be your first upgrade if you guys have got a new truck. So the reason why I say that is that typically your floor liners that come from the dealer factory are going to be junk. Real thin, don't hold any water or debris or dirt or anything like that. You put your feet down on them, they end up sliding forward in the front of the floorboard, and just, they're all over the place. So they're essentially worthless, and, you end up getting just as much dirt on your carpets as what you would if you didn't have floor liners. So this should, again, be your first upgrade when you're getting that new vehicle, car or truck for that matter. So let's look at the liners that are in the truck right now. So they're unfortunately already a little bit dirty, but these are a little bit heavier duty than what normal liners would be. So happy to see that. But as you can see, they don't go very far up into the cavity there where your pedals are. They don't really have anything that's going to hold the water in. They're good. I think that they're better than what you would get on most vehicles, but they're certainly not to the level of the new Husky liners. We'll kind of go over what makes them so good here in a second. So guys, before we crack these open, let's talk about what makes these so much better than the standard ones, and in my opinion better than their competitors. So the Husky liners, the X-Act Contour, there's a few different models, but the X-Act Contour, they use a laser and measure out the inside of your floorboard, all the nooks and crannies and creases and curves that it has, so that they can mold these liners to fit exactly that area. So you're going to have a really tight fit. You're not going to have any of that sloppiness that you see in other liners. Another awesome piece is you can see that this edge that they have, it goes over the edge of your threshold on your entry of your door. So if there is liquid, so you have an accident, drop your coffee, drop your energy drink, your soda, water, whatever, it is going to have a place to go potentially if need be. But you can see this large bump that's really going to keep all of that in there. But if something does need to get out, it gets out of your truck and not onto your carpet. So that's a really awesome piece about it too. They've got these, I don't know if you can see them here, these little I guess you'd call them nipples or pieces of hard rubber that sticks out there that grabs onto your carpet. So we were talking about how the standard liners will slide around and just move all over the place. That really grabs a hold of the carpet and keeps them really stuck down. They also have, as you can see, the bumps here. That's where if you have the mounts in your floorboard that your liners can attach to, these will attach to those factory mounts. So again, will help to keep them from moving around. I really like that it has this reinforced area here. So if you've ever looked at your floor mats after you've had them for a while, typically the spot that's going to wear out first is where your heel is, right where you put your heel down to hit your gas pedal. That's where you're going to grind that heel in there, and it's always going to wear out first in that spot. So this is reinforced here to make it last a whole lot longer. So just all in all, you know, a well-built liner. And, you know, I want to call out that they didn't give me a discount, or, you know, I'm not working with them or anything like that to make this video. I paid for this on my own. Just, you know, I'm excited about these because of the research that I've done. So let's crack open the box and see what's in the box, and then we'll put them in the trunk. So you can see they're wrapped in plastic really nicely, shipped well. Got an instruction manual here for them to explain, you know, how to go about putting them in place, which is awesome. Both of them are wrapped separately, but let's take it out of the package here. All right, so we've got one out of the package here, and you can see all the things that I was talking about. This is your reinforced area for your heel. This is the driver's side mat. You've got all these channels where debris and water, and, you know, if you're in a snowy area, snow, all kinds of crud will catch. But you can see how it is raised on the edges here, all around here, where it's going to keep that water in here, and it's not going to come out on your carpet. These two spots here are the factory connection points, where you can mount those into your factory OEM floorboard connectors, and it's not going to move around on you. On the back side, again, like I was talking about, you've got all of those bumps, dimples, spikes, I don't know what you'd call them, that's going to, you know, really mount into your carpet and not move this thing around. So let me put these in, and we'll take a look at what they look like. All right, guys, pretty easy. Just took a couple of minutes. We'll show you what they look like. So there they are. Easy enough. Took about 2 minutes to install. Here's your mounting points on your factory mounting areas on both sides. Again, you're going to have that reinforced area, the channels, just everything about them is just so much better. And you can see they go way far up into the area where your pedals are at. What I'll do is I'll put a window in window here of what the old ones look like, so you can kind of get a feel for what these look like in comparison. But really no comparison at all. They're just fantastic. So with that, that's kind of the upgrade for today. Really excited about them. I think that they're going to work fantastic for us. So if you would, be sure to leave us a comment if you used these floor liners in the past, and see how they've worked for you. You know, what your thoughts are. Let me know. I would really be interested in the luck that you've had with them, you know, especially over time. I've had a competitor brand, and they're okay. So we'll see how these work out. But yeah, drop us a comment there. Give me a like if you appreciate the video, and if you want to see more content about what we have going on here in our lawn and our garden, and with the upgrades that we're doing to the truck, please give us a subscribe so that you can keep up. But going to have another upgrade coming with the truck, just a little peek of what it is. Really excited about that too. And what we'll do is we'll put that in our next video. So until then, I'll talk to you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.